I hate it when my laundry hamper is overflowing with dirty, smelly clothing. When the laundry piles up, I get overwhelmed and then I'm less motivated to tackle it. I keep it under control by doing one small to medium load every day. It's part of my daily routine. In today's video, I've gotten a late start, so I'm making brunch instead of breakfast. I've got some days-old bread to use up, and I wanted to try the dried eggs I purchased for my preps. I decided French toast would be the perfect way to use both. The powdered eggs made a nice batter and the bread browned up nicely. I even made some blueberry syrup using blueberries that had been in the fridge for a while. They were just a little less than fresh, but would be perfect as topping for the French toast. And since we were savoring the morning, I decided to dress the table up just a little bit. Instead of our usual placemats, I put on an old lace tablecloth and a set of chargers to make it fancy. Whereas I enjoy setting a pretty table, my husband could care less. He's happy with a hot meal and a placemat. Me, sometimes I like the extra fuss. It's one of the ways I show that I care. Unloading the dishwasher is an important part of my daily routine. When the dishwasher is empty and ready to receive dirty dishes, I'm more inclined to tackle the after-meal cleanup. I do any zone cleaning immediately after I clean up the breakfast dishes. It's the next logical step, and it should only take 15 minutes. Today's zone cleaning is decluttering in the dish cabinet. I have way too many plates, saucers, and bowls. I kept trying to organize them, but there were just too many. Here's what the cabinet looks like now. Some of the dishes were donated, some were given to family, and some went into quarantine. And in between my usual morning tasks, I took the time to transfer the wash to the dryer, and later I got it folded and put away. Planning helps me stay on top of things. My daily routine, weekly routine, and zone cleaning is marked in my planner. I shop my shelves by checking out my fridge, my freezer, and my pantry to see what I need in the way of groceries or what I need to use up. I'll check out my favorite cookbooks to see what recipes I want to try and whether or not I have the needed ingredients or if I need to add them to the shopping list. Today's dinner is made from chicken I made on another day. I planned ahead and cooked enough chicken for 2 meals. I intentionally used half the chicken on Sunday and reserved the other half for the chicken pot pie today. Chicken pot pie is easy to make and budget friendly. I'll put the recipe in the description box just in case you're interested. Some days I make my own pie crust, but I will often use the Pillsbury ready-made pie crust. They are light and flaky and taste just like homemade. They're nice to have on hand. One of the things I do worry about, though, is the crust getting too brown. Halfway through the cook time, I'll put some aluminum foil around the edges. The chicken pot pie turned out nicely and it tastes delicious. And the good thing is there's enough left over for tomorrow's lunch. For more homemaking inspiration, click the link on the screen and I'll see you over there. And don't forget to visit us at www.aprondiva.com.